धन्यवाद। तो आज का हम कार्यक्रम वी विल स्टार्ट आवर प्रोग्राम with the flag hoisting, then there will be national anthem, and then High Commissioner will be reading the speech of the President. So there it is. Thank you.
We will request High Commissioner Dr. Rajesh Ranjan to kindly come for flag hoisting, sir. Please, sir.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा भावीर उच्चल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय।
Namaskar. Good morning to you all. Now I'm going to read the message of President of India, which he delivered last evening in India on the eve of our Independence Day. My dear fellow citizens, Namaskar. It's a matter of great joy for me to wish all Indians living in India and abroad a very happy Independence Day. This day has a special significance as it marks the beginning of the 75th years of India's independence, for which Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is being celebrated. My hearty congratulations to you all on this momentous occasion. Independence Day is a festival of freedom for us. This was made possible by a generation of freedom fighters, some known, some unknown. They made great sacrifices. Today, you and I breathe under free skies thanks to their heroic deeds. I bow in respect to the pious memory of those brave martyrs. Our nation, like many others, suffered great injustices and tyranny under foreign rule. What distinguishes India, however, is that the character of our nationalist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi was based on principle of truth and non-violence. He and all other national heroes provided us with an invaluable blueprint to not only liberate the nation from colonial rule, but also to rebuild it. Gandhiji's struggle was for a return to Indian ethos and for human dignity. Now, as we look back to 75 years journey of our republic, we have reasons to be proud of considerable distance we have traveled. Gandhiji taught us that slow and steady steps in right directions are preferable to rapid strides in the wrong direction. This would look up at the miracle of India, home to the plurality of traditions and yet the biggest and most vibrant democracy. Dear fellow citizens, in the recent concluded Tokyo Olympic, our sportspersons have brought laurels to the nation with their stellar performance. India has won the highest number of medals in the 120